the competition Hiperfire Hipertouch. Yeah, it's going to feel completely different than the factory trigger. Yeah, that's much smoother.
What are you shooting there?
Huh?
What are you shooting there? Is that 308?
No, it's 5.56 with it. It's a 10.5.
Oh, that's why it's so loud. I was like, what dude?
Yeah.
I was feeling that one.
And then it's got the Surefire Pro Comp.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can feel that. That's a big difference.
I just got the new Hiperfire Hipertouch trigger.
Nice.
So to try a full-blown rapid fire on this one and see what happens. Let's see if I... Almost had it in the rhythm.
Very nice. Very nice.
Hold on. Oh, Jesus.
Shit. Hold on.
I can almost get the fourth one in.
Y'all ready? Ready, man?
Let's record, baby. I'll hit it.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love it.
What you got?
10.5. Yes, sir.
Oh, my
See?
phone naked, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to do the same shit. I'm lighting it up.
Where did you get this pie?